Hey guys, and welcome back. So I actually woke up super late today, but I am actually outside because I'm going to get my Brazilian wax. I haven't gotten a Brazilian wax in such a long time, so I feel like it's gonna hurt so bad and I'm scared. But I have so many things to do today. I have to get my nails done, I have to get my new phone, and I have to finish my essay. I'm almost done with my essay, and I have to really take the time to study a lot and go over all the stories tonight. But I also have work, so there's so much to do and like no time, but I'm gonna try to get it all done because I have to. I have like no other choice, because tomorrow I'm gonna be at school from the morning all the way until the night, because I still have to go to my last two classes. Even though I already took my final, I still have to go observe other people do their finals. I'm not sure how that works, but yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I will let you know how it went. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm pretty delusional right now. I totally forgot how much that hurt, but you know, now that the pain's over, I think it's worth it. You know, right now I'm just a little like, I really went through all that pain right now, but like it's over, so it's great, you know. So 9 out of 10 recommend. Get my nails done. They look pretty cute. They're just like a red with glitter, and I also got my toes done. But now I'm outside and I'm going to get my new phone. I'm actually at the store that I used to work at. If you guys don't know, I used to work at T-Mobile, so a couple of my ex-coworkers are here, so I'll try to film them right now. Hi honey, how are you?
Good, you know, making money at work.
Honey Ruth, how are you?
Stressed.
Why?
I was doing like...
Why? Tell the vlog. Why are you stressed, Georgie?
The employees.
Why?
The truth is gonna come out right now, you know?
When you haven't been here a month, so you don't know what's going on?
No, dude, it's just, I don't know, like everything's been, well, I already went through like 5 managers. So.
You guys went through 5 managers?
Oh, me. Yeah. You?
Well, it's good to see you too.
How are you?
Okay, so I'm all ready for work. So today's my last day of work, so I decided to buy some candy canes. I think I showed this yesterday when I went to Target. We're going to do a short gift exchange within my classes. So yeah, I'm excited. And Ivana's here. Say hi. What are you eating?
Some chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos. What are you gonna do while I'm gone?
There's this woman support group at church.
Oh.
I'm gonna go.
Wow.
I was gonna go work out, but I'm gonna go there first and just like check it out. And I already made plans with, not this week, then it's Monday coming up, because it's just Christmas Eve, but then Monday after that, me and my friends are gonna go too.
Nice.
To see it.
Okay. Wow. I love you. Look at how cute. Some of my students brought me a couple of presents. Aren't they nice, Andrew?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh? And Anita's here. Hi. He doesn't have school anymore, so he's just out and about. Huh?
Can do all-nighter.
All-nighter? You want to stay with me? I actually have to finish writing my essay and study for my final. You want to help me?
Okay.
He's not going to help me.
Yes, I am.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So today is Tuesday and my last day of the school year and of my undergrad, so I'm super excited. I'm kind of running late, of course, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my test right now, turn in my essay, and then I'm actually going to meet up with one of my professors, and I'm going to give her the gift that I hauled in one of my hauls. But yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys later because I'm running super late. Hey guys, so I'm actually out of my test. It's actually been a couple hours since I went ahead and finished with my test. After my test, which, oh my god guys, I hope I did good on that test, because it turns out that I actually got a 99% on my presentation from last week, so I did really good on that. But I don't know what I'm going to be getting on this essay or this final exam, so I really hope I at least do good enough that I can get, I know I'll for sure get a B on the class, but if I can get an A, that would just be ideal, because I just checked and I'm going to be getting an A in one of my other classes. So if I get 2 A's this semester, that would just be great. So I really hope so. There's a lot of cars passing by, sorry. So after my test, I actually went to get some lunch with my favorite professor. I gave her gift and all. If you guys have been keeping up with that, I had a gift for her, so I went ahead and gave it to her. We talked for about an hour or so, just about life and stuff, and that was really nice. So I'm really happy about that. She actually bought me lunch too, which is super nice of her. Bless her soul. But yeah, so we talked a lot about life and different things and school and stuff and what it is that I'm going to be doing next semester. Because like I said, this is my last semester in college. So yeah, I still have a lot to think about, but we just kind of dibble-dabbled into it. So yeah, right now it is 3:50 and I don't have class until 5. But like I said, I'm pretty much done with my finals. All I have to do is, I think we're going to have a presentation, or my professor's gonna present something, and we're just going to be taking a quiz afterwards. And then for my second class, I already did my side translation final exam, so I just have to pretty much watch other people do theirs, and that's pretty much it. The semester's almost over and I leave for Peru tomorrow, guys. I can't believe I leave for Peru tomorrow. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to meet up with my friend Salvador, and I'm going to try to finish my video, because I have not gotten a video up in 2 days, which is not like me at all, but I've just been super busy with different things for school. So I hope you guys understand. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and head over. I also want to mention that I went ahead and bought out my book. This is my book that I really wanted to buy out. I even made a whole budget for it, but it turns out I only budgeted $50 for this, but it turns out that it was $80, which I am not too happy about. But I had already written a lot in this book, and I had made notes and stuff, and I had just like sticky notes all over it. I can show you. So I had like sticky notes from like the different things we read, and sticky notes on the side. So I was just like, this is my book, like I don't want to give it back. So I went ahead and just bought it out, even though it was a lot of money, but it's okay. It's fine. It's okay. There we are. We're gonna go to the Nugget and get a beer.
We'll see all the beers.
I'm allergic to all the beers. Say hi, friends. Friends, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Okay guys, so I just realized that that was the end of my undergrad, and I don't know what's going on with the lights, but I feel kind of sad. I don't know how to feel. I definitely don't think my life is all that together. So okay, these lights are creeping me out, but I don't know, I'm just really sad and super emotional about this being my last day here at Costa Long Beach. So yeah, all of my classmates actually went to get a beer to celebrate that we're done with that class, because that class was very, very hard. It was my interpretation and translation classes, so those were very, like, it was just on another level. So yeah, they're celebrating, but I have to go home because I have to pack, because I have not started packing and I leave for Peru tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and go home, and I'll show you guys what it is that I'm going to pack. Okay, so we're in the process of getting all this together, and I am scared, screaming. So since I'm not gonna be here for Christmas, my sister has decided to be nice enough to let me put my presents, but she can't open hers until Christmas.
That is so unfair.
She can't. She's gonna stay here. They're under the tree.
But what do you mean?
Why should she open them?
But why should you take yours?
Okay, so I was telling her that I could just take them to Peru, but she wants me to open them. So
because why would you take them in a box?
And she's wearing her PJs. Cute.
Okay, I just wanted to hear that I forgot to put in your gift.
What?
That I hope you appreciate as much as I appreciate you.
What is it? Oh my god. Okay, for those of you who don't, these are candies that we would get whenever we used to go to a Chinese restaurant over there in Peru, which I'm probably going to be going to, so I'm so excited. They give these out, so these, something very symbolic for me. And Ivana cries in Spanish.
Two? I haven't counted out, sorry, but my sister is letting me open my Christmas present. So, which should I open first? Andy, which should I open first? Big one. So, oh, scared.
Wait, you didn't appreciate my wrapping.
Oh, I did. She made the polka dots and she wrote my name. It's really nice writing.
I know the name, but look at this polka dot. It's so cute. Like, very unique, you know?
Yeah.
Some Familia Peluche slippers.
Oh my god, for my passport. Yes, queen. Wait, I gotta wear these because I always steal Ivana's.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
Look at my little slippers. They're so cute. I love them.
You better like this.
It's cake. Oh, yes, queen. I love. Girl,
Oh, it has glitter. If you guys don't know me, I love to wear workout clothes to pretend like I went to the gym, but I don't actually go to the gym. But it makes me think that I do go to the gym. Oh my god, this goes perfect together. I'm here for it. I don't have anything this color. I have like mauve, black, and like this turquoise, but not.
I know, and it goes with your hair too. It looks so cute.
Catch me with my slippers and my workout clothes in Peru. Ivana wants to open her presents, so I'm only gonna let her open one. And it has to be one of these big ones.
Okay, I guess I'll open this one.
That was a really good present. I wanted to keep it for myself. I almost did. Doesn't like it.
Hey, I said I should know how to wrap this.
I don't know, I just did it.
You watched the video, huh?
I didn't.
Liar.
It's just my housewife instincts.
The germ.
Open
Knowing
it.
that I love planners. Girl, my life.
So you get to put each of the weeks, and then every day you can put your to-do list.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute. I wanted to keep it for myself.
I can carry this in my purse.
Okay, that's the only one you get to open.
Why? It's so unfair.
Okay, bye.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their